So the radio stopped working in the van and I've had to hire a street musician to supply music for us. Don't get me wrong, he's great and stuff, but he thinks he's a Mississippi blues Delta player. And I'm more of a funk guy myself, you know what I mean? But when your radio's knackered, there's not much you can do about it.
I can change genre as well.
Oh, you have got the funk. One of the benefits is a radio can't smoke cigarettes and play guitar at the same time. This guy can. Luca, where can people find you? Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, I've got an Instagram. It's Luca Pisanu Music.
How do you spell Pisanu?
Pisanu is P for Papa, I-S-A-N-U.
P-I-S-A-N-U. Luca Pisanu, you're on Instagram. Do you have a YouTube?
Yeah, same. Luca Pisanu Music on YouTube as well.
I'll put the links in the description below. You are about to start uploading guitar tutorial videos?
Yes, I have a guitar course that is coming out soon, and I will be doing some little shorter lessons for videos for YouTube. So,
right, fantastic. So I usually get the guests and the replacement radio to say bye-bye YouTube.
Bye-bye YouTube.
Thanks, Luca.